MobiClikz review. Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, KieranGHogg.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing MobiClikz. We're going to look at everything there is to offer about it, see what I like about it, see what I think can be improved, and of course how my bonuses are going to help you with MobiClikz and my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free. Also, guys, I've got a treat at the end, so stay tuned till the end for that. So without wasting any more time, I'll see you on the other side. All right, my friends, welcome back. This is my bonus page from MobiClikz. It is going to stay up until Sunday, midnight, August 14th. MobiClikz is a product that is being launched by Jason Fulton and Sean Ogendell on August 11th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $19. And guys, this is how we can leverage the power of mobile messaging to get unlimited traffic and sales with a few clicks. You don't need a computer, you don't need an autoresponder, you don't need a website, as they're going to show you. There's a very detailed demo video in here. We are not going to watch it. It's about 12 minutes, but I have taken a lot of detailed notes, which I'm going to show you. So you don't have to watch it right now. You can watch it on your own time if you want to learn a little bit more about it. But I think what I'm going to teach you, you're really going to get a good understanding of what MobiClikz has to offer. Guys, this is going to stay up until 5 days from now, so you've got plenty of time. So what is MobiClikz all about? So it leverages the power of mobile messaging to get unlimited traffic and sales with a few clicks. Brand new app blast, any offer to thousands of inboxes instantly using the power of mobile messages. You get a lot of traffic from this, and the cool thing is it is 100% open rate, 100% click-through rate, because of the way that they have organized this app. It is all being done on a platform, and when you open messages, you collect coins or tokens, if you will, or credits, I think they call it. The more credits you get, the more pages you open, the more messages you open, the more credits you get. So you are directly incentivized to read people's messages, which is why you can get this 100% open rate. Now you're going to pay some credits for each person to open it. So it's kind of like an ecosystem of these credits is the currency inside that is being used by the vendor and the audience. So when you want to create something, you will maybe give one person 1 credit to open and read your message. If you want more people to do it, you're probably going to offer 2 credits. So I'm going to go into a little bit more detail and show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. And guys, you're going to get real trackable guaranteed clicks to anything you want. Here is the funnel. Now guys, I don't have a lot of information about the OTOs, only the front end. And I reached out to Jason and Sean. I haven't been able to contact them. So I'm just going to give you as much knowledge as I can about the front end, and also of course how my bonuses are going to help you as well. So this is a 12-minute long video. I'm not going to show you all the pieces, but I've taken some notes. So guys, this can be downloaded to any phone, tablet, or desktop, but of course it's designed to work on your phone when you're out on the go, or your tablet, etc. You don't need a website or autoresponder, and there are no monthly fees, and you need message credits. That's what I was talking about before. So it's a peer-to-peer system that allows users to interact on this platform. So you're going to get thousands of users interacting on this, and just by passing off these credits. All your messages are going to get delivered, so you'll get 100% delivery rate, click-through rate, and open rate. The credit system rewards the receiver of the messages to open them, thus the 100% rate. All right, so they know that they're going to receive these credits by you if you have a campaign, or if there's something that you want to tell your audience about, some kind of sale or a launch, etc. And if you don't have any campaigns that you have created, they have provided them inside for you. Those are going to be some of the upgrades. I'm not exactly sure which ones, as I don't have the JV doc, but one of those upsells is going to be the campaigns as well. So each message you read, you will get points. You can post video messages as well, not just like an email. You can create it just as you would with a regular email. You can have calls to action. You can put videos in there as well. You can have text underneath describing it, whatever you would do in a normal message or an email, okay? Now, okay, top messages shows you what the messages are. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a couple of photos that I took as well. All right, guys, so this is just the side box here, okay? So we have the inbox, the top messages, label, message credit, message campaign, invite members, and main menu. So the inbox is just going to show you exactly what it is, just your inbox, which messages you have and which ones you want to send out, etc. The top messages are the ones that are the most popular on the platform right now. They are the ones that are trending, if you will. Your labels, now labels will break it up into different niches. So if you click on labels, you're going to have a bunch of different niches in this main area here. For example, you could have health and fitness, make money online, relationships, love, nutrition, anything like that. They're all in many separate categories. So then you can focus your messages in one of those labels if it's more appropriate for that particular label, etc. You will see that in the video. I just don't want to show you the whole 12-minute video, otherwise it's going to be super boring for you. All right. And guys, this is the message campaign. So when you want to set up your own campaign, you'll click on this and you've got this drop-down menu here. You've got the create message, create video message, create from YouTube, message stats, message template. So create a message. It's going to pop up here. You're going to have a space for your title, you have the body, and then you can add different things as well. You can have calls to action. You can have the language. You can change the language if you don't want to just use the default English. They have other languages as well. You can add emojis. You can attach images, videos, as I said. You can create a video message as well, and you can create one from YouTube. And the message stats, so you're going to be checking out the analytics, similar as you would to the YouTube analytics. And templates, they have provided templates in here as well, so you could just copy one of those and change the details to suit what you are actually talking about with your audience. And I talked about the tokens, so the more tokens you offer your audience, the higher open rate you're going to have. There's more incentive, if you will. And this is where you will invite members, and the main menu looks like so. This is the main menu, guys. So if you click on the main menu, you're going to have this kind of stuff. My profile. So this is where you're going to add and edit your profile. Message credits. You'll see how many credits you have. Any notifications, your funds, your advertisements, your coin balance, if you will, for your advertisements. Support is here. Tutorials. So if you don't really understand after watching the demo video, you can also, of course, get the tutorials, support if you need it, change your settings, and you can also adjust the themes, if you will. Let me just show you. So you can change the color layout. You can go light, emerald, cyberpunk, forest, fantasy, etc. You can change it all to match your personality or the way you happen to be identifying that day. All right, you guys, so that is kind of how it works in a nutshell. You're going to be sending messages in this platform, and people are incentivized to open it to get those credits. All right, so it's going to have a much higher open rate, click-through rate, etc., than with email and other forms. So it's kind of cool in my. So guys, this is 12 minutes. I'm going to leave this in the description. In my bonus page link, the top link there, you can check this out on your own time. I will also leave it in the comments at the very top. I'll pin it to the very top, and you can watch it there again if you want. So we talked about that, guys. The price, the front end is $19, okay? And the OTO one is $47. Now that might be the one, of course, you're gonna have more options. It's going to be the Pro or the Unlimited, if you will. You're going to be able to send out more campaigns. You probably give you some credits as well. And the campaigns, I imagine it will also offer you some campaigns. One of these is going to be the resell rights. And again, guys, without the JV doc, it's hard for me to go into the detail. So all I can do is just show you as much as I can about the front end. Guys, let's go to the sales page here and we can learn a little bit more about it. So there is just a VCL right here. You can check that out. So brand new complete system for making money online. No email, no budget, no laptop, no monthly fees, guaranteed clicks to anything you want, unlimited free traffic that actually converts, blasts any offer to thousands of inboxes instantly using the power of mobile, done for you campaigns included if you don't have anything to promote, as we just talked about. And $0 to $473 in 36 hours beginner beta testing. All right, so if I just go back here, that is what the headline is here, okay? $473 online beta testing. Here is some financial proofs from Jason and Sean. Here's some more, some testimonials. You can check those out on your own time. So guys, you're just going to step 1, log in. Step 2, activate it. Step 3, send traffic to anywhere you want with the done for you campaigns if you don't have anything to promote, as we talked about. There are Jason and Sean right there. Some more financial proof. All right, so you're going to get over-the-shoulder video training, push-button mobile traffic, getting software app, beginner beta tester case study, how a complete beginner used MobiClikz to make $1,381 in 36 hours. Some more financial proof, more testimonials, more proof. And here are the bonuses. So bonus number 1, do you have what it takes? $2,000 per day live invite. You wonder how to make $2,000 a day, so they're going to show you some tips and tricks that can help you get on your way to do that right there. Bonus 1, MobiClikz Accelerator, $1 million a year blueprint, valued at $200 right there. Number 3, recurring 30-second free commissions. Number 4, super license rights to 3 of our best, most profitable offers. Bonus 5, discount coupon. A 90% off discount coupon to MobiClikz, which will help you take things to the next level and build on your income. Although we could get away with charging more for MobiClikz, we want to be accessible to everyone. So you're even going to get more of a discount, okay? 30-day money-back guarantee. So you're going to, okay, they didn't actually say what it was, everything that you're going to be getting. All right, guys. So again, this is where I would normally take you to the price and the upsells, and we would talk about the upsells and see which ones work for you. So I'm going to take you to my bonuses, guys. So how to convert your phone to your cash machine is my first bonus. So MobiClikz, this is another way that you can make money with your phone. You're going to see, if you just follow the training, how you can also do another way to make money on your phone. If you're out on the go, on a train, whatever you might be doing in your car, you can also be making money with this system. Next one, guys, how to build an email list easily. So you don't need an email list for MobiClikz, but of course, if you are trying to grow your online business, you do want to be trying to get an email list as well. This is a very simple way to do it. This is my own tutorial that I made for you, so you're not going to get this one anywhere else, okay? This one, guys, is a tag team traffic system, how you're going to learn how to use the power of Instagram in conjunction with Pinterest. Lots of value here as well. And to get you more traffic on the biggest growing social network in the world, TikTok. This is Nova. This was launched by my friend Robin Palmer. He's a 7-figure affiliate. This is the front end, the OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shows you how you can bypass the expensive advertising on TikTok to really get a lot of traffic, grow your audience very quickly. And my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh.
You got it. And of course, all the vendor bonuses right there. So you guys, you got 5 days to do this, plenty of time. This is me, Kieran, KieranGHawk.com. You can always check me out there. You can learn more about me, how I do these videos. There's other videos on there about how to make money online. And guys, I wish I had some more information about the upsells, but I think I've given you a lot of good information about the front end and also how my bonuses do complement MobiClikz. All right, and guys, you can check out this video on your own time. That wraps it up for my video. Don't forget all this, my bonuses here, especially my mega bonus bundle. And I said there was a treat at the end. If you do decide to get MobiClikz through my link, you will be getting a thank you email from me and asking you to whitelist my email. Super easy. There's videos in the link that I'll be sending you to show you how to do it. Takes a minute, maybe 2 minutes. And if you do that, I have another bonus for you. All right, my friends, this wraps up my review on MobiClikz, how you can get 100% click-through rate and open rate, etc., just by using those tokens. Goes live August 11th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you got some value, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, I'll try to help you. Leave a comment down below. Check out my free training. Also, I have a bonus page creator where you'll be saving $49 a month if you don't want to use Commission Gorilla. All right, my friends, best of luck on your journey. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.